we can go from there. But so far, so good, almost, kind of.
Now, let's get off this front structure. This looks like another part that we're definitely not going to be able to cross-reference due to the shape of it all. So we're going to need some serious fabrication.
Like, it's very, very similar to the Volkswagen Group, like all the bolts that they use. But I've never known a car to use this many bolts to hold things on.
After removing 4 million bolts and then the cable to latch the bonnet, eventually the front structure started to come free.